19 students from Ranelagh School in Bracknell were only one of 3 schools in the country chosen to produce a concert with the Royal Philharmonic Orchestra. These young producers chose the music and the theme and drafted the programme, also bossed the musicians around and worked behind the scenes. The 2 schools-only concerts took place on the 6th and 7th of March 2018, and a relaxed family concert on Saturday the 10th of March. The Sound Around Touring project aims to create opportunities for young children and young people with additional needs to enjoy orchestral music. This touring project is being led by a company called Orchestra Live and funded by the Arts Council England. The internationally renowned Royal Philharmonic Orchestra was founded more than 70 years ago and has established itself as Britain's national orchestra. The students were inspired by Gogglebox, a reality show, and named their concert Orchestra Box. 5 of the young producers were on stage watching the Royal Philharmonic Orchestra from their sitting room. Their noisy neighbours formed a house band and at one point interrupted the orchestra. Now we'll go to Lauren live on the scene.
Hi, I am Lauren and I'm reporting for BBC School Report. I'm here today at the Hexagon Theatre in Reading to tell you about the recent Sound Around project that has been happening with local schools. Here is a copy of the programme.
Here are some samples of the music.
Music is my favourite part. It was composed by John Williams. I think that the flutes, oboes, bassoons and clarinets are just about to play Nimbus 2000. Maybe that's why the rest of the orchestra is so moody.
Our music governor, Mr. Boylan, was a VIP guest at the concert. Here is what he thought of it.
And the orchestra joined in with that as well, so it became an interaction between the orchestra, the presenters, everybody that was there, and the audience. And I think that's so important. So the big thing, getting people to sing, getting people to laugh, getting them to see everything that was going on was educational, because at the background of all that there was some fantastic music. I'm just amazed at how good it was. I mean, I try not to sound condescending there, but if I had seen that in the West End, I'd have thought that was all professionally done.
The relaxed concert was designed to be a concert that was especially suitable for children and adults with autism and those who are deaf, blind or partially sighted. There were post-concert activities around the building which the young producers helped out with. We the musicians from the orchestra, Fraser.
So what do you think is so special about these concerts for you?
I think it's about, the special thing is about devising the concerts with the young producers in order to sort of fulfil the potential of a symphony orchestra.
The Hexagon Tour was brilliant to see 1,200 children gathered in a celebratory this week. Do you have a favourite sound around moment?
I think my favourite sound around moment was when my colleague pulled out a vuvuzela and was misbehaving. But she had been told to do that. That was all part of the act. I think involving the musicians in the performance more than just playing their instruments is my favourite part.
So how different was the concert to the concert?
Very different, very different. There's much more fun. There's a lot of going in the background.
Yeah, lots of going.
Grade 7 bassoonist was lucky enough to play with the orchestra. Would you have any advice for one of your musicians?
Hannah was amazing. She did a really good job. I'm saying that because she's behind the camera. No,
Hey.
that's honestly the truth. That's the truth. Do I have any advice for one of your musicians? Yeah, if you really want to go for it, do it. You'll have to work really hard. You have to work, really practice. If you're happy practicing for a long time, like in a day, then you'll probably be fine. But essentially, you have to make sure that you're happy with the hard work that has to go in order to get what you want. Right? So whether that's to do with music or if you want to be a doctor, there's still a lot of hard work. You've got to be happy with that instrument is the thing you want to do because you're going to be spending a lot of time practicing.
So overall, did you enjoy it?
Overall, I really enjoyed it. I always enjoyed these things, but when we did the Reading Sound Around, I thought that was the best. So well done.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.